I don't care what the calendar says. February is the longest month of the year, and it's just dragging on. And I'm not feeling all that great. Got a bit of a cold that I'm fighting. It's just making its way through our family. So today I'm going to make some soup. Few different parts of this. We're going to start off making our stock, and we're going to make the soup itself, and then I have a little chili oil that I'm going to make that will go on top that is optional, but encouraged. I think sometimes when people are sick, they just buy canned soups and they miss out on, honestly, the healing nature of aromas as you're cooking. There is something to it. It always helps me feel just a little bit better, brightens my spirits. So I love to cook when I'm not feeling well. So we're gonna start making this stock, and it's gonna be delicious. This is a leek and potato soup made my own way. No cream, no dairy, no thickeners or anything like that. It's delicious. For a stock, you don't need to bother like taking off all this papery stuff from the onions or the stems from the garlic or anything. This is just to get flavor into our liquid, and all of this stuff is going to get strained out anyway, so it doesn't need to look pretty. Chili oil is very easy to make, and it's a great condiment to have on hand. I call it a condiment because that's what it is. It's used to season food or to add to food. You don't use it to cook food. And so just takes a couple minutes, couple ingredients. It's really great, especially if you're sick, because the spice helps with the sinuses, and some of the components in it help fight infections. So it's good stuff all around. Our ham stock is just about ready, so we're going to prep our vegetables so we can start actually building our soup. I have 4 leeks here. It's only 4 for me because these are pretty small guys. You just use the white parts. And so you'll use like 2 to 3 depending on how big they are. It doesn't need to be exact. These things are a bit of a bugger to clean, but I'll show you how we do it. It's pretty, just takes a little bit. The ham stock is finished and all the stuff is draining off of there. Vegetables are cut. Now we're going to form our soup and put it all together. We've got a pan back here on medium heat, and then we're just going to cook all of the vegetables in some olive oil. This ham broth, this is the base of our soup now. However salty this is, that's how salty our soup's gonna be. So we're gonna taste it real quick, adjust seasoning if we need to, and then add this into the vegetables to get them finished cooking. The broth has been strained and got all that other stuff out of it. This is the base of our soup, and so we're just going to add it to the vegetables, get them simmering and cooked until they're tender. That's it, my ham and leek soup. Super, super delicious. It's it's more of a brothy soup, and so it's perfect on cold weather days, or if you're not feeling well, or even if you're feeling great and just in the mood for something delicious. It was a few more steps than we normally do, but they're easy steps. So I know that you can do it. Give it a try. The full recipe is linked in the description of this video, as well as some of the equipment that I've used. Take care.